I made a video of this before, my neighbor's temp store. Sorry about the camera, I was wanting to get it all in the picture. It is from 1995 and the paint's wearing off on it, but it's a ultra high efficiency 9000. The makers of that ultra high efficiency 9600 is Temp Star. It's got the Climate Tough compressor. I don't want to scuff up my camera lens, but you get the idea. You have all heard it running. It's got 2 blades and a Emerson motor. Obviously it's a heat pump. Obviously, because there's a reversing valve and guts. I'm gonna try to get a shot of the compressor. I don't guarantee it. Oh shit! That is what I just stepped on, a briar thingy. I can't get the numbers off of it yet. There's my friend's mower. It's a Craftsman. And this is the video of it off. It's a 2.5 ton. That's all I remember. Can't get back here. There's so much crap and junk around here. And briars and ugh. The spec sheet's way back over there. Guess that's the punishment you get for not wearing shoes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Yep. The indoor portion. Interfirmed by Nordi. Better by design. Okay, out. Okay, here's my neighbor's janitor. You've all seen it before. Here's the compressor, and my oh my, is it large? Got 3 blades and a fan motor. Oh man, that's huge. Coil's got some dings and dangs in it. Got a good pad. Dog. Let's shine my light down in there and see if you can see it. Bristol. Thanks for watching. Out.